glad you could join us today. Today I talked Lynn into getting something I've been wanting for a while. It's kind of pricey, but it was on sale for $2.99. So let's see what we got. What do you think it's going to be? Yeah, it's always got to be Starlink. But yeah, they're having a sale until October the 5th, where the latest edition is $2.99 at Best Buy, and if you order it offline. So we're going to do the roaming, which is $150 a month, and I will let you know at the end of this video how it works after a few weeks of using it. So let's open it up and see what we got. So here's the Starlink. It's actually pretty big. I didn't think it was going to be that big. So next we got the instructions. Looks like it's fairly simple. So underneath that, if I can get it out, here's a new modem, the power supply, the cable. There's a power cable. So let's see how it works. So here it is outside, and I got to scan to see which way to face it. So I finally got it hooked up. I'm a little bit slow. You know, I got button happy. Yeah, Linda says button happy will get you every time.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh no, you're good. But that's what you got. 84 megabytes per second. Upload 14.4. That's pretty good. So I'll check back in after a week or two and let you know how it's running. Okay, so let's talk about what my overall thoughts after a week of having Starlink is. The setup on the Starlink, I'd have to give it probably a 7, simply because I bought it from Best Buy. When I set it up and hooked it up, that was the easy part. Then I had to turn off the Wi-Fi to create an account with Starlink, and I was confused. I didn't know, I couldn't find the number, but the number automatically populates to set up your account. So if you have any problems, that's it. Whenever it populates, it will have a number that you can't find anywhere else. That is the right one, because I used that number finally after several different attempts, and it went fine. I had internet service. We went with the roaming plan, which is $150 a month for the internet, which here at the guard shack, we're in a bomb shelter, highly insulated. You can't get a signal in here on your phone. So we use Starlink. So I have my Wii, my Quest gaming system, because I'm a big gamer, hooked up to it, my phone, the tablet, and it works like a champ. I've actually been able to, because I'm a gamer, I love to play games. I've been doing online cloud gaming on Xbox, on my Quest, and it works good. I mean, it still buffers a little bit, but I've had lots of different internet, and that's probably about the best thing going. So it's well worth the money. Starlink is not paying me for this review. I mean, they could. I mean, I'd be more than happy to take some money from them, since I'm giving them it quite a bit. But Best Buy right now until October the 5th, the new Starlink disc is marked down from $4.99 to $2.99. So you're saving $200 off the usual price. So if you've been thinking about it, now's the time to buy it. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. I will see y'all in the next video. God bless.